Assalamu alaikum students. So today we will going to start with our chapter number 8, multiples and factors. You can see in the video the child who is sitting, he wants to gift his parents a bouquet as his parents is having their anniversary. So he is not able to distribute the flowers properly. So the star says that it is very easy to distribute the flowers. Now he'll explain how with the help of the factors. What is factor? A factor of a number divides that number without leaving any remainder. Now that boy is having 20 flowers. Now he has to distribute it. So 20 should be divided by the factors. Now how can we divide so that none of the flowers should remain? So we'll start with the first, as it is having 20 flowers. So we can make groups of 2 flowers. Means in a one group there should be 2 flowers. So we can have 10 groups of 2 flowers. Yes or no? Then we can have 2 groups of 10 flowers. It means in one group there should be 10 flowers. So we can see that there is no remainder. So this is the factors of 20, that is 2 and 10. Then one more, that we can make 5 groups of 4 flowers. Means in one group there should be 4 flowers, and in next group we can see that 5 flowers in one group. So even 4 and 5 is the factor of 20. Now we'll see 3 flowers. So if we'll take in one group 3 flowers, we'll get 6 groups, but there will be remainder of 2 flowers. So 3 is not a factor of 20. Understood? So we can say that. Is there any other way? No. So in one group we can take a 20 flowers also. Yes or no? In one bouquet we can put directly all 20 flowers. So the factors of 20 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 itself. Understood? So he is saying it's a very good idea that the factors means what? There should be no remainder. So the factors of 20 is 1 also. Why? Because a number is a factor of itself, and 1 is, except 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Understood? So every number is having 2 factors. Now his sister came, and that sister also given him more flowers. Sister has collected with her friends more flowers. Now he is saying that already I have done that distribution, now again you have bought more flowers. Then the star says it is very easy. So that sister gives him the basket, and that boy will say, now again I have to find the factors. Now she is saying I am going to collect more flowers. Now the boy again, he is in a disturbance that how I'll do it again. Now again the star will help him to find the factors. Now the sister friend Isha has collected 5 flowers. Then Bunty collected more 5, it becomes 10. Then Ria 5 more 15. Then Sam 5 20. Then Pinky 5 25. So 25 flowers are there. Understood? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now they are the multiples of 5. Yes or no? They goes in the 5's table. We can see if adding of 5, we get the more 5. So these are the multiples of 5. Understood? So now the child is thinking what to do with this 30 flowers. Now the multiples of 5 is what? A number is a multiple of itself. Yes or no? Yes. Then we know the 5's table.